Welcome to BTC Token Digest, understanding crypto tokens in few minutes. For Bitcoin token, its token ticker is BTC. Currently, BTC ranks number 1 in CoinMarketCap with a market cap of 1.3 trillion US dollars. Its 24-hour trading volume is 43 billion US dollars. And the one-year price movement of BTC has increased by 118.12%. What is Bitcoin? Bitcoin is the pioneer of cryptocurrencies, introducing the concept of decentralized digital currency. Its decentralized nature means it operates without central control or intermediaries like banks, making it resistant to censorship. Security is also its feature, with its blockchain secured by proof-of-work consensus. Bitcoin's limited supply, capped at 21 million coins, makes it deflationary and different from traditional fiat currencies. Many investors see Bitcoin as a store of value, similar to digital gold, due to its scarcity and potential as a hedge against inflation. Who created Bitcoin? It was created by 2009 by an unknown person or group of people using the name Satoshi Nakamoto. How Bitcoin is used. People can use Bitcoin to make peer-to-peer transactions. It can be used for various purposes, including online purchases, remittances, investment, and as a store of value. So that is a quick description about Bitcoin. If you want to understand other cryptocurrency tokens, don't forget to follow me, BitChukate, to stay tuned on my future videos. You can also join my Telegram community. Link will be in my bio. See you there!